Greetings everyone and welcome to our presentation. As you can see on the screen, our topic today will be the ERP system flow and the electronic invoice, also known as the e-invoice. In this part, we will discover e-invoice process parties. E-invoice flow parties. First, the seller which responsible for conversion to Egyptian Tax Authority ETA format. Electronic signature. Second, the Egyptian Tax Authority portal validates the data. Generate UUID. Then, send the invoice to the seller with UUID. To get the submission to Egyptian Tax Authority portal. Then, send invoice to the buyer. Finally, the buyer is the last party in the process. Just need to get the invoice with UUID. In this part we previewed the process of e-invoice. Now, e-invoice integration. Flow end-to-end e-invoicing solution meets all of the Egyptian Tax Authority requirements including a digital signature. Now, we need to know what is the setup data required in Egyptian Tax Authority. It's Customer Tax Registration Number, GPC item grouping, item code. We will move now to the technical part, which is explain how to activate the electronic invoice on the system. Let's preview the program screens. To apply the e-invoice, the first step is to get the tax registration number and write it in the file number cell that lead us to item mapping. We are also working on item mapping in auto generation of item code. Send item code to the Egyptian Tax Authority ADA portal. Check the code approval. How we can do that? By 3 steps. First, by adding GPC code to the item group. We create a group code for all items in your company. To make your own items with the GPC code to be validated by the ETA portal. Second, create EGS code to be ready to be sent to ETA portal. Third, follow up on the status of the items and tracking the Egyptian Tax Authority approval for item mapping. Fourthly, check Egyptian Tax Authority item mapping approved. The next step is to send invoice to Egyptian Tax Authority portal. That can handle the extraction electronic signature and submission of invoices to the ETA portal. By 3 steps select the invoices, process the e-signature, and send it to the Egyptian Tax Authority. This screen previews the e-invoice after adding UUID from ETA portal document returned from ETA. This screen previews the types of coding EGS and GS1. Also, we can check the invoice status if it is a test or live. Also, we can track and report the e-invoice. Well, on this screen, we can also check the document approval is the invoice valid or not. After all this, we need to see our invoices we sent to the Egyptian tax portal. Okay. On the far right of the page there is a button called View Document next to each invoice. This is the invoice from your supplier to your company. When we clicked on the View Document button, open the portal of Egyptian Tax Authority. Supplier invoice print out from ETA. So, this is the invoice from your company to your customer in ETA portal. According to these information, there are many types of documents, not only the electronic invoice. The documents are invoices, credit notes, and debit notes. This screen previews the types of documents. Letter I, for electronic invoice. Letter C, for credit notes. Letter D, for debit notes. This screen previews the credit note format in the ETA portal. In addition, we can know the sales invoice inquiry. This screen previews all sales invoices with UUID, which cannot edit or remove these invoices. This screen also previews all sales invoices without UUID. If you try to edit or remove any invoice, this screen will appear. That means we cannot delete document that has been registered to ETA portal. In the end, I wish I can present all the details. If you have any question, contact us. Thank you for watching. I hope to meet you well.